Question number 56. If log of cos x value sin x is greater than or equal to 2, then the range of sin x. So first of all, for defining log function, number 1, sin x should be positive. Number 2, cos x cannot be 1 and cos x should be greater than 0. So basically, base of log function, that is cos x, lies between 0 to 1. So by calculating your inequality, you will get sin x is less than or equal to cos x to power 2. Now just calculate it. Write down cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. So you will get sin square x plus sin x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Just calculate factors of this equation. Sin x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So you are getting sin x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 5 divided by 2. So from here you can say sin x lies between minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2 to minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 close bracket. But condition number 1, sin x should be positive. So sin x lies between 0 to minus 1 plus root over 5 divided by 2. That is your range of sin x. Just check your options. So option number 2 is your correct answer. Now move on. Next question. Question number 57. If log 2 sin x minus log 2 cos x upon 3 minus log 2 1 plus 10x minus log 2 1 minus 10x is equal to 1, then the value of 10x is. So see, for defining log x, number 1, sin x should be positive. Number 2, cos x divided by 3 should be positive. Number 3, 1 plus 10x should be positive. So basically 10x should be greater than minus 1. Number 4, 1 minus 10x should be positive. So from here you can say, so 10x is less than 1. So from here you can say option number 4 is incorrect, because 10x is 2 and we know 10x should be less than 1 and 10x should be greater than minus 1. So option number 2 is also incorrect. Now we have only two options, 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So now calculate your equation. Log 2 sin x divided by cos x by 3 multiply 1 minus 10 square x is equal to 1. So from here you are getting sin x cos x 1 minus 10 square x is equal to 2. Just calculate it. You will get 3 sin x cos x divided by cos 2x. 1 minus 10 square x is equal to cos 2x by cos square x. So from here you will get 10 2x is equal to 4 by 3. So just calculate it. 2 10x 1 minus 10 square x is equal to 4 by 3. So you are getting 2 minus 2 10 square x is equal to 3 10x. 2 10 square x plus 3 10x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here you will get 10x plus 2 and 2 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x is equal to minus 2 and 10x is equal to half. So you already know 10x cannot be equal to minus 2. So 10x is equal to half is your correct answer. So option number 1 is your correct answer. Now move on. Next question. Question number 58. If the least and greatest value of the function f of x is equal to 5 minus 2 cos x minus 2 sin square x are small m and capital M respectively, then the value of capital M minus 2 divided by small m. So first of all, rearrange your given function, which is f of x is equal to 5 minus 2 cos x minus 2 1 minus cos square x. f of x is equal to 2 cos x minus half whole square plus 5 by 2. This is your function after rearranging. So for getting minimum value of given function, cos x should be 1 by 2, that is possible. So that is minimum value is equal to 5 by 2, which is small m. And for maximum value, this bracket should be maximum. So for that, cos x should be minus 1. So when you have cos x is equal to minus 1, so cos x minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 4. So maximum value you are getting 2 into 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to 7. So now calculate the value of capital M minus 2 divided by small m is equal to 7 minus 2 divided by 5 by 2. That is equal to 2. So your correct answer is option number 3. Now move on. Next question. Question number 59. The number of solutions of the equation 10x plus sec x is equal to 2 cos x lying in 0 to 2 pi. So first of all, in 0 to 2 pi, 10x is not defined at x equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Similarly, sec x is not defined at x equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 also. So now let's start your question. Sin x divided by cos x plus 1 upon cos x is equal to 2 cos x. Just take LCM. You are getting sin x plus 1 divided by cos x is equal to 2 cos x. Sin x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. You can write 2 cos square x 1 minus sin square x. So from here you are getting 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1, that is equal to 0. So sin x plus 1 and 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here you are getting sin x is equal to minus 1 and sin x is equal to half. So for 0 pi and this is your 2 pi. This is your sin x minus 1. So for sin x is equal to minus 1, there is one value which is 3 pi by 2 and which is not possible. So this is not your solution. Now for sin x is equal to half something here. If you draw a line, you are getting two value, that is one is pi by 6 and another one is pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6, which is your solution. So number of solution is 2. So option number 3 is your correct answer. Now move on. Next question. Question number 16. The number of real solutions of the equation cos x to power 7 plus sin x to power 4 is equal to 1 in the interval minus pi to pi is. So just rearrange your equation. You can write 1 minus sin to the power 4x. So you can write like 1 minus sin square x and 1 plus sin square x. So here cos to the power 7x is equal to cos square x 1 plus sin square x. So you can say cos square x is equal to 0 is one solution and cos to the power 5x is equal to 1 plus sin square x is your another solution. So just write down 1 plus sin square is 1 minus cos square x. So you are getting 2 minus cos square x. From here cos square x is 0. So from minus pi to pi, you can see your graph is like this is your pi and this is your minus pi, and this graph is for cos square x. So there is two values where is your function is 0, that is plus minus pi by 2. This is plus pi by 2 and this value is minus pi by 2. So x equal to plus minus pi by 2 your solution. Now check on another equation. Here you have cos to the power 5x is equal to 1 plus sin square x. Sin square x plus 1 have minimum value 1 and cos to the power 5x has greatest value 1. So x should be 0, which is also your solution. So number of real solution is 3. So option number 3 is your correct answer. Now move on next question.